sabi nga, kapag pumasok ka raw sa law school, abay kalaban mo dyan yung doubt, yung pressure, at minsan yung sarili mong takot. Pero ang bawat struggle pala ay bahagi lamang ng inaasam mong tagumpay.
Wow, mas malaking picture. Ngayong araw po, makakasama natin ang isang attorney na author pa. Please welcome the author of Claiming the Dot, Attorney Archie Capila. Attorney, thank you so much for joining us today.
Good morning.
Good morning, Ms. Diane, Ms. Leslie, and all our supporters and of course viewers sa ating Rise and Shine Pilipinas. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat.
Thank you for joining us. So this is your book, Claiming the Dot, A Young Lawyer's Journey. Tell us about the journey. Itong libro na ito.
Well, first of all, it's always, it has always, the journey to becoming a lawyer is always, but with the book, of course, nagkaroon tayo ng chance na ma-share ang ating journey, and of course, I believe na nagkaroon tayo ng oportunidad na magkaroon din ng avenue ang ating mga estudyante, which of course, I know ay nakaka-relate at makaka-relate dito sa ating journey na ito.
Ay, saktong-sakto. Ano po ba yung ibig sabihin ng claiming the dot?
Well, actually, madam, it's first year, second year, third year, and fourth year, it's ATTY. Yun yung biruan sa law school, and the dot is actually passing the bar. So even though that if you if and when that you pass law school, you still have to claim the dot. So technically, it's passing the bar. So yun yung naging title ng aking book, and it basically encapsulates the law school journey. Ng ating, hindi lang sa akin, kundi ng reflections ng ating mga kasamang law students and naging mga abogado na rin ngayon.
So this book, para ito doon sa mga gustong pumasok pa lang sa law school or even mga estudyante na...
Yes, madam. Of course, hindi lang ito para doon sa mga gustong pumasok, but rather doon sa mga nasa law school na, doon sa mga nakagraduate na, and doon sa mga abogado na rin. Dahil meron po tayong meron tayong tinatawag na nostalgic trap sa mga abogado na laging binabalikan ang kanilang law school journey, and I think this book is a great reflection of what that journey is.
Mahirap yun kasi 'di ba pag naglolo ka, yung pressure. Tapos hindi lang pressure sa ibang tao, pressure din mismo sa sarili mo. So,
matatapos ko ba to?
Diba?
Parang
Kaya ko ba to? Sa libro po ninyo, paano po itinalakay itong mga realidad na ganito?
Well, yung aking libro is maraming chapters, and basically doon sa law school journey, nagkameron din tayo ng diskurso on what I went through and kung ano yung mga ginawa ko para ma-overcome itong mga ito. And at the same time, nag-share tayo ng mga light perspectives. Nagkameron tayo ng compilation ng essays and Facebook posts. Basically, ang sinasabi ko lamang dito is maraming nagdaan sa ganitong journey, and at the same time, nakalampas naman sila. And we know for sure that yung mga magbabasa natin and yung ating mga aspiring lawyers ay makakayanin for as long as they don't give up and show up every day.
Kahit pa mahirap.
Yes.
Well, for you, kasi this is a compilation of essays at saka may mga tips and advice para dun sa mga aspiring lawyers. Ano yung pinaka-paborito mo ditong parte ng mga sa mga sinulat mo?
Well, nadyaan yung naghihintay ako sa results ng bar. Just to share, I didn't want anyone with me noong naghihintay ako ng results because actually I didn't know what to do if and when I did not make it. But luckily, I made it nung lumabas ang results. So, diniscuss ko dyan kung ano yung thought process ko noon. And nagkameron kami ng... actually, I told my girlfriend that she is the only one I would answer nung kapag tatawag doon sa results. And nagkaroon kami ng... I was at St. Jude ang results, and mga nagtatalunan na ang mga tao sa likod, wala pang tumatawag sa akin.
Nakakakabayan!
So, I really thought I didn't make it, but eventually, after a few minutes, may tumawag na yung aking girlfriend, and I eventually passed the bar. So, it was a once-in-a-lifetime experience, and I shared it in the book
Baka
as well.
nasa AB pa lang na surname, nung tumawag na sa'yo.
Mabagal yun, mabagal.
Ang bilis ng girlfriend, Hello, nakapasa ka. Galing mo naman. Ayan. So, after this book po, bilang kayo po ay parang author na talaga, may mga balak pa po ba kayong isulat ng mga iba pang libro?
Actually, it all started noong I was invited by the publisher to write originally a textbook.
Okay.
But
For pagiging professor mo,
yes,
ganyan.
but I specifically requested na sana ang first book ko ay yung compilation ng essays, which is this book. But hopefully, this year I'll be able to publish another one or two kung sakali.
Wow.
Tingnan natin kung if and when magkaroon ng opportunity.
Oh, I actually have a favorite essay dito. It's about love, loss, and law school. Paano ba ito sasagutin? Is there love in law?
Always. There's always love in law and in whatever we do for as long as we put our heart into it.
Ayan.
There's always love in it.
Well, please invite our mga viewers to have a copy of your book.
Of course, sa ating pong mga kasama, meron po tayong law book na magkakaroon or let's say nagkakaroon ng explanation as to how law school is, what to expect in law school, and eventually some tips and some reflections of a young lawyer who eventually made it. This is Claiming the Dot, a young lawyer's journey, available at all official stores of Central Books.
Maraming salamat, Attorney Archie, sa pagbabahagi ng iyong journey dito sa Claiming the Dot, a young lawyer's
Sana
journey.
ma-claim
nung iba na nag-aspire,
Iba,
no?
oo.
Mamomotivate kayo when you read this book.
Yes.
Thank you, Attorney
Okay.
Archie.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Attorney.